come from Terengganu. Oh, we are playing music like we are concert. Oh, you all we enjoy our show. Don't forget our best musician and
Today, we are searching for the remaining two groups. Today's concert will consist of Dikir Barat performance by Red and Blue.
I don't want to see you cry. I swear to you my love remains, and I swear it all over There's something about love that's break your heart. It said you are free. There's something about love that break your heart. It said you are free. Something about love that break your heart. It said you are free. Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to Abaya.
The sun goes down, the stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came. I'm glad you came. Oh, 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 oh,
I will not make the same mistake. I will not break the way you did. I will not make the same mistake. I will not break the way you did. To never let it get that so far. Because of you, I am afraid. I will not make the same mistake. I will not break the way you did. I will not make the same mistake. I will not break the way you did. To never let it get that so far. Because of you, I am afraid.
For others, the fourth concert Dikir Barat performance of the intensive English program is just a performance. But for us, our Dikir Barat is a preservation of a Malay traditional culture. It integrates various English songs taken from all over the world, guided by an Indian mentor with a Chinese as its singers, and performed by a group of performers that consists of a mixture of all races in Malaysia, namely Kadazan, Bajau, Murut, Dusun, Also Iban, Bidayu, Melanau, Kayan, and Kenya. In fact, we also have a Siamese in group Red 3. This is not just a Dikir Barat. This is solidarity. This is our big family. This is the intensive English program.
Hello, 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 and good afternoon to our ayah, judges, and lecturers. And don't forget to all audience.
Hello, 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 and good afternoon to our ayah, judges, and lecturers. And don't forget to all audience.
You can take my heart very close to your heart. You can take my heart forever you like.
Hey, you can take my heart for a wonder fish. You can take my heart for a little thing. You can take my heart very close to your heart. You can take my heart forever you like. Hey!
Wow! I feel good! I knew that I would! I feel good! I knew that I would! So good!
So good!
So good!
So good!
I got you!
Now you've been talking in your sleep. Since you never said to me. Tell me that you had enough of our love.
Just give me a reason, just a little bit enough. Just a second, we're not broken, just bad, and we can learn to love again. It's in the stars, it's been written in the stars of our heart. We're not broken, just bad, and we can learn to love again.
I never had the strength to take it higher until I reached the point of no return, and there's just no turning back. When your heart's under attack, gonna give everything I have. It's my destiny.
I'll never say never. I will fight till forever. Make it right whenever you knock me down. I will not stay on the ground. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, up, never say never.
Over the past 14 years, the perception of these participants towards English language has been limited into exam and heuristic usage only. However, what we do in the intensive English program is totally different, where English is introduced to every participant via various channels and usage. What we want them to realize is that English can be used in various ways. It can be used academically, heuristically, interpersonally, and of course, imaginatively.